In his State of the State address last week, Governor Ron DeSantis commended himself for removing prosecutors from office. One of those prosecutors was Orange Osceola State Attorney Monique Worrell.
Worrell is still waiting on the Supreme Court's ruling to see if her suspension will be overturned, all while kicking off a re-election campaign this week. She sat down with investigator Louis Bolden to discuss the road ahead and the governor's recent comment.
Our policies to support law enforcement personnel, to combat riots, to keep criminals off the street, and to remove lawless prosecutors from office have kept Florida at a 50-year low in the crime rate.
At his State of the State address, Governor Ron DeSantis again mentioned removing 2 Democratic state attorneys from office, Andrew Warren in Hillsborough County and Monique Worrell in Orange and Osceola counties.
The governor has consistently used my unjust removal as a campaign talking point.
So you think the whole thing is politically motivated?
100% politically motivated.
Just last week, Andrew Warren's case for reinstatement got some hope. In a 59-page ruling, an 11th Circuit Court of Appeals judge kicked the case back to the original federal judge, writing the district court should re-examine the case. Meantime, Worrell is waiting for Florida's Supreme Court to rule on overturning her suspension.
Because the governor has failed to establish a specific fact of my neglect of duty, dereliction of duty, or incompetence, that the executive order should be stricken and that I should be returned to my position. That is what we're asking the Supreme Court to do.
Whether the court rules in her favor or not, Worrell is planning to run for re-election and could be facing off at the polls later this year with the man the governor appointed to replace her, Andrew Bain.
Do you think it'll make the race more difficult for you?
You know, I don't think so. I don't believe that the voters of this circuit are going to fall for the, untruthful information that's spread by a governor's appointed state attorney.
Have you ever seen anything like this?
No. And that's why it's unprecedented.
News 6 political analyst Jim Clark says the Supreme Court ruling could come at any time, even after this year's election.
I would think, based on what happened with State Attorney Warren, that it will come sooner than later, and that means it'll come before the election. However, that may not mean much because I'm sure Governor DeSantis will appeal whatever ruling it is. This could stay in the courts for the next 3 or 4 years.
Either way, Worrell says she is forging ahead.
One of the things that I worked diligently towards when I was in office was rebuilding the trust and the faith of our community in our justice system. And that's what I'll continue to do when I'm reelected.
Andrew Warren has asked the court to speed up his case so that he can finish out the last year of his term, which technically ends next January.
Okay.
So it will be interesting to see how it all plays out.
Absolutely. Okay, so if she wins re-election, the governor could turn around and just suspend her again?
He absolutely could, which is why Andrew Warren says he is not running again. So there's a lot to watch.
It's complicated.
Here. Yeah.
All right, Louis Bolden.
Thank you.
We know you'll stay on it for us.